Hi, this is Tiranya. Today I'm going to tell you some amazing facts that will blow your mind. Disasters are unpredictable, but nature gives its warning. Do you know there are some animals which can actually predict the disaster hours and minutes before they occur? Come, let's know more. The first animal, toads. Toads flee the place before earthquakes. They're highly sensitive to the changes that occur in the atmosphere. Before earthquakes, electrical charges, gases are released into the atmosphere. These toads sense them, which act as a warning, and they leave the place. The second animal is snakes. Snakes leave their nest before earthquakes. They can't hear, but they can sense the minute vibrations and leave their nest. The third signal is wolves. Wolves actually howl before storms. Before storms, there's an air pressure fluctuation which causes the sensitive canines of the wolves herd, and hence wolves howl before storms. Another good signal before earthquakes is birds. Birds show unusual behavior like screaming. As they're much scared, they can feel the vibration but cannot express it. They scream, they fly randomly without a proper route to go, they're flying scattered, and before storm, there is an air pressure fluctuations, and these birds won't fly high. If they fly high, there are chances of falling down, hence they're seen flying low during a bad weather. There, and the pigeons mainly depend on the Earth's electromagnetic field for navigation, and when there's an earthquake, the Earth's electromagnetic field is disturbed. Hence the pigeons don't know where to go. They're scattered. Another good example of earthquake is elephants. Elephants have a large feet by which they can sense the movements happening below earth. They can sense the minute vibrations just like snakes do. They can also hear them, and they flee the place before earthquake. And many other animals also flee the place. And there's unusual behavior noted in cats and dogs. And these dogs have high hearing abilities. They can hear minute sounds coming from far away. And they're also able to hear the P waves. P waves are the radiation waves that come before the gigantic radiations come up. As the dogs are able to hear them, they show unusual behavior like biting, barking, fleeing, and the cats become nervous. They start meowing and they show unusual behavior like somebody is coming to attack them. They can't express it, but they can only feel vibrations. These are some examples. And cattle. There are some noted observations that the cattle stop giving milk days before the earthquake. They're able to hear the vibrations, they're much scared and stop giving milk. Another point is that they might be still giving milk, but the rate of milk comes down. And just before the earthquake, the cattle's livestock becomes restless. I will tell you some examples of the animals' behavior before certain earthquakes. The Turkey earthquake occurred recently. We could observe the birds were flying scattered at a very low height and they were screaming. The dogs, maybe the cats, they were all showing unusual behavior. Another example was ancient Greece. Days before the earthquake hit the place, the rats, the rodents, the weasels, the snakes started fleeing and the dogs were barking. And in 2011, when the earthquake hits Peru, days before it hit, animals from the national park started fleeing the place. And in China, 1975, There was a place called Haicheng. It was about to be hit with an earthquake. The animals started showing unusual behavior. Hence, the Chinese authorities took precaution and asked 10 million people to vacate the place, and this saved the destruction that could have been happened. Actually, some scientists say these are coincidences, but I believe that they aren't coincidences, as some animals have special abilities and some other scientists are still doing researches for some more proofs. I hope you liked my video. Thank you. For more amazing facts, please do like, share and subscribe.